My name is Nathan Nzanga. Some people call me Nate. Some people call me Natropolis. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad Character Strong decided to have me out. Shout out Houston. Shout out everybody, man. I wrote this song Seeds when I was 15 years old, and it still means a lot to me today as a 21-year-old. It means the same exact thing. I wrote it at a time in life where I was pretty uncertain in life, and I wasn't really rocking with myself very much. And we're all pretty uncertain about what's gonna happen next right now, so it's easy to get in self-doubt mode. But regardless of what's going on, I wrote this song about finding a way to love and self-respect, respect yourself regardless. I don't know. This song is called Seeds. Yeah. I am becoming every single thing I promised I would never be, and I am always in the night, wondering if one day I'll ever see that I can stop making excuses regardless of how the pressure seems. Struggling to find the gap of who I am and who I'm trying to be. Struggle to convince my mama that I still got time to see. Nathan, what you trying to do with schools that you applying to? Honestly, I'm not even convinced the college is the move. Through these beats, I feel the groove and vibe on these verses. Curses, I'm nervous, can't the surface a few souls that have heard this. Claiming I'm a rapper makes me a stereotypical black boy who ain't athletic, so we had to settle with that rap noise. Cause you a real one unless you wanna be an Oreo. You wasn't made for other things, and that's just how the story goes. Ain't doing what they doing, so I couldn't be black. Preconceived identities just to hold ourselves back. Dang, I'm whack, life is crap, they won't clap. I feel trapped, pretty rattled by my future, and I'm scared of all my past. And they like, Nathan, just do you. And I'm sure that's a great plan, but how I'm supposed to do me if I don't know who I am? I am becoming every single thing I promised I would never be, and I am always in the night, wondering if one day I'll ever see that I can stop making excuses regardless of how the pressure's in. Cause my plans to blend these seeds so you can wait and watch me grow way up into a better me. I am becoming every single thing I promised I would never be, and I am always in the night, wondering if one day I'll ever see that I can stop making excuses regardless of how the pressure's in. Cause my plans to plant these seeds so you can wait to watch me grow way up into a better me. Hey, Nathan, just had a revelation. You've been having conversations about decisions you've been making, and not to be cold, but this is getting kinda old, throwing doubt up in your soul when all you got is gold. Your mind's the biggest trap in the world, and it stinks, cause everything you do causes you to overthink. Thoughts of positivity, quick to negative rebuttals. You convince yourself you sinking when you standing in a puddle. I know that life's a struggle, I know that life's a puzzle. Keep going through your struggles, you'll be growing through your struggles. I promise you gon' make it, I know that you gon' live. Forget the I ain't, the I can't, just let yourself live. Go ahead and let yourself win, go ahead and let yourself be. There ain't a man out there like you, you gotta let yourself breathe. Forget the lies of stuff like by you won't succeed. You got your will, you got your life, you got your love. You plant the seeds and you'll say I am way better than I say I is, and I am then treating myself like this, and I won't be my own antagonist in any situation, baby. Nathan got a plan for this, no, God, got a plan for this, God, got a plan for this, God, got a plan for this. I'ma keep on going and going, keep on growing and growing. My seeds be trees, greatest me gon' be showing light. Becoming every single thing I promised I would never be, and I am. Yeah. Thank you guys. My name's Nathan Nzanga. Follow me at Natropolis. Nothing but love.